Push it up, the music goes up. Bring it down, it gets quiet. And then boom, boom.
Jones, I just got some Zik headphones, probably the coolest thing I've ever done. Everything's by touch, and I can adapt them to my mini iPad or my cell phone, so I'm a very happy girl.
I love my Zik headphones. I just tried them for the first time, and I couldn't believe how easy, how quiet, how cool. Look at how they look. It's like you want to lay down on one.
You guys are killing the game right now. I don't know anyone that even has technology like this. No one's even incorporated technology like this in headphones. Not even Beats by Dre, none of that. Bose, I've never seen this. So y'all got one with this.
You do not expect to put them on and not want to take them off, but it's so crisp and clear, and the fact that you can use your finger, it's just incredible. Incredible.
Great sound quality, great for noise cancellation, fits wonderfully, and I love the fact that you can program it wirelessly. It's beautiful. It's very classy.
Very classy.
I love it.